Hey, what's up everyone to Mainichi Japan, and in today's video we'll be discussing the 15 different colors or iro in Japanese. Hope you guys will find it helpful and informative. And let me also add that I've included the download file in the description. You can follow the link and you can download it as a PDF file or maybe PPT file. It's your choice. Okay, with that said, let me get inside the topic now. So the iro means color in Japanese. Okay, so the first color is kuro, black. Kuro, black. Kuro, black. Aka, red. Aka, red. Aka, red. Ao, blue. Ao, blue. Midori, green. Midori, green. Midori, green. Murasaki, purple. Murasaki, purple. Murasaki, purple. Chairo, brown. Chairo, brown. Chairo, brown. Momoiro, pink. Pink. Momoiro, pink. Pink. Momoiro, pink. Pink. Okay, these two colors they are a little bit similar, but if we see the contrast here, there is a huge difference between two, but still people call them the similar color. And yeah, okay, this is the momoiro and this is the pink. Okay, they use katakana and call it as pink for pink color. Okay, next is kiniro. Kiniro, kin iro. Kiniro, kiniro, golden color. Kiniro, golden color. Kiniro, golden color. Giniro, silver color. Giniro, silver color. Giniro, silver color. Okay guys, so if you have watched Gintama, the initial kanji gin, it is also used in Gintama's title. Okay, gin and tama makes the Gintama. Okay, so here the gin means the silver and the iro means color. And this kanji is found used in ginko also, which is bank. Okay, gin iro, silver color. Gin iro, silver color. Gin iro, silver color. Shu iro, vermilion or scarlet. Shu iro, vermilion or scarlet. Shu iro, vermilion or scarlet. Hai iro, gray. Hai iro, gray. Hai iro, gray. And next thing, the easiest way to remember this is this kanji, it represents ash, and the color of ash is gray. So this is the ash color, not another ash. Okay guys. Sorry, no fun while learning. Hai iro means gray. color. So this hai is ash. This is the kanji for ash. So gray color, hairo. Dairo, orange. Dairo, orange. Dairo or orange. Okay, so this is the oldest way of representing this color, but nowadays people, they often relate the colors with the katakana of the Romaji. For example, this is the katakana of orange, orange or dairo. It is not typically used, it is most used, just like the pink or the pink color. Dairo, orange. Dairo, orange, orange. Mizuiro, light blue. Mizuiro, light blue. Mizuiro, light blue. Okay, this color Japanese, they often relate with water, because blue skies, clear blue sky, and the blue sea or the ocean, they just represent color like this. So it's Mizuiro or light blue. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, Kiiro, yellow. Kiiro, yellow. The most important thing here is Kin-iro. So Kiiro, they actually represent similar color. Both of them look like yellow, but difference is Kiiro, it is yellow, it's pure yellow. If you go to the RGB spectrum, it might be fullest red and blue, I guess, I forgot that. Okay, so it's a full yellow, but Kin-iro means the color of the gold, because kin itself represents the gold. So whenever you are listening to these two colors, you need to emphasize on the sound. Kin-iro, Kin-iro or Ki-iro. There's a little bit emphasis on the Kin-iro, Ki-iro, Kin-iro. So you need to emphasize on that sound. Okay, let me go to next sound. Color. Shiro, white. Shiro, white. Shiro, white. Okay, so let me revise it again. I will pause for some time. In the meantime, you can also follow with me. Shiro, white. Shiro, white. Kiiro, yellow. Kiiro, yellow. Mizuiro, light blue. Mizuiro, light blue. Dairo, orange, orange. Dairo, orange, orange. Hairo, gray. Hairo, gray. Shuiro, vermilion or scarlet. Shuiro, vermilion or scarlet. Gin-iro, silver color. Gin-iro, silver color. Here also emphasize on the sound. Gin-iro, silver sound, and make sound from the noise. Gin-iro, not Ghiro, Ghiro, silver color. Kiro, golden color. It's not Kiro, Kiro, golden color. Kiro, golden color. Kiro, golden color. Momoiro, pink, pink. Momoiro, pink, pink. Chairo, chairo, brown. Chairo, brown. And next easiest way to remember this is cha, which is tea. So the color of tea, dried tea leaves is brown, so it's chairo. Or plain black tea, its color is brown, that's why it's chairo. They call tea as a cha in Japanese. Murasaki, purple. Murasaki, purple. Midori, green. Midori, green. Ao, blue. Ao, blue. Aka, red. Aka, red. Kuro, black. Kuro, black. Okay, this time it will be a little faster, and I'll repeat it only once. Kuro, black. Aka, red. Ao, blue. Midori, green. Murasaki, purple. Chairo, brown. Momoiro, pink, pink. Kiniro, golden color. Giniro, silver color. Shuiro, vermilion or scarlet. Hairo, gray. Daidairo, orangey, orange. Mizuiro, light blue. Kiiro, yellow. Again focus on the sound. Kiiro, Kiro. Shiro. Okay, that's what it, guys. So with this we have come to the end of our video, and I hope you guys find it informative. And I know, as always, it's a little bit crappy way of making videos, so you can write in the comment section. You can give me feedbacks or maybe dislikes also. It will help me to improve my videos in coming days. Okay, with that said, let me end today's video, and maybe next week or maybe after that I'll be making some videos other than this kind of learning materials. I'll be including some videos other than these kind of videos. Yeah, I don't know what kind of videos, but hope you guys will find it informative and interesting, or maybe entertaining, I don't know, guys. So till then, hope to see you in other videos, and don't forget to comment. All comments are welcome. I know the video quality is not that much good, and yeah, if it's not satisfying, you can give dislike. Yeah, guys, it's your choice. Yeah, bye. Hope to see you next week. Sorry, in next video.